How to replace the label roll. Place the label roll beginning on the machine in a clockwise direction. During installation, some components may be loosened. When passing the sensor, ensure the label is threaded through its detection area. Before entering the cutting head, the label must first pass through a rubber roller. Then continue placing the label toward the cutter head. Align the label's starting point with the cutter head and leave some excess length. Wind the label around the cutter head for installation. Finally, the labels pass through the rubber roller once more to enhance stability. Check and tighten all components.